Magiging ganun talaga yung itsura mo pag ganun ka maglagay ng sunscreen na may white cast. Hi mga mumu, this is me, your hair girl, and right now tuturuan ko kayo kung paano maglagay ng sunscreen na may white cast. Actually, having a white cast on a product is not a bad thing at all. Because every people has different skin types. May mga oily, may mga dry, may mga sweaty people, and yung iba hindi pantay yung mga skin color nila. As an oily and sweaty person, ang need ko talaga ng mga products is yung kapit na kapit talaga sa skin ko. And one of the things that I need for my skin is the sunscreen talaga. This is the UV Defense Sunscreen ng Suki Skin Essentials. And of course, meron siyang SPF 50 PA+++ High Sun Protection. Pag maglalagay ka ng sunscreen, konti-konti lang muna. You can also use the two-finger method and always blend it properly. And hindi din siya malagkit, as you can see.